Here are some effective sentence structures for IELTS essay writing that are beginner-friendly and can help you improve your clarity and fluency. Simple sentences. Start with these. Subject, verb, object. This is the basic structure for a sentence. Example: technology has transformed the way we communicate. Subject, verb, complement. Use this to describe qualities or states. Example: the situation is complex. 2. Compound sentences. Connect two simple ideas, using and, but, or so. Example: the internet provides access to information, but it can also be a source of misinformation. Using a semicolon, winky face. Example: the economy is growing, however, unemployment rates remain high. 3. Complex sentences. Add more detail and complexity. Using subordinate clauses. These clauses add more information to the main sentence. Example: although the benefits of technology are undeniable, it has also created new challenges. Subordinate clause. Although the benefits of technology are undeniable. Using relative clauses. These clauses provide more information about a noun. Example: the city, which is known for its vibrant culture, attracts tourists from all over the world. Relative clause, which is known for its vibrant culture. 4. Variety in sentence beginnings. Start with an adverb. Use an adverb to modify the verb. Example: clearly, the impact of technology on education is significant. Start with a prepositional phrase. Use a phrase that begins with a preposition. Example: in the modern world, it's difficult to imagine life without technology. Start with a participle phrase. Example: having access to information, students can learn more efficiently. 5. Avoiding common mistakes. Run-on sentences. Don't string together too many ideas without proper punctuation. Fragment sentences. Make sure each sentence has a subject and a verb. Comma splices. Don't use a comma to connect two independent clauses without a conjunction.